Alright, so I got this stuff to do the insulation on the Commander. These Commanders run fairly hot in the cab. It's great in the winter. It's not really the greatest in the summer. And they're also really loud. So this stuff hopefully will insulate it and keep the noise down a little bit. So it's just heat shield basically. Adhesive heat shield. I think it was 3 millimeters thick, I believe. It's just got an adhesive back on it. I'm going to get my plastics in here and start putting this on the back of the plastics that go around the interior of the cab, go around the motor. So hopefully be a little more comfortable ride next time I'm out. My steering rack showed up today, so I'm going to get that in soon. I've still got some clutch work to do. I've got my A-arm bushings are coming back from Garage Products. They should be here any day. And I got to do my dual battery setup, so still got lots to do. Hopefully get it all together here in the next little bit and get back on the trails. So I'm going to get started on these plastics. So, peel this stuff off. Gonna clean the plastics up a little bit outside, the garden hose. And then started putting the new stuff on. So I just went out and pulled the trigger on my pressure washer to clean off those plastics, and boom, it's the end of my pressure washer. So I gotta go fix something else. So we'll get back to this. Okay, now, first piece. So that's it. That stuff worked pretty good. This stuff's really good to work with. I got it on Amazon. I think it was around 60 bucks for the, it was 21 square feet. I only used 3.5, well, this is the end of the 4th piece. So you could get away with probably the 10 square feet for, I think it's around 35 bucks, 30 bucks. Anyway, I doubled up the cup holder, and it should make quite a difference. It added a fair amount of weight to the bike, but I mean, for the gain, it's going to be worth it for sure. So, and it should cut down on the noise of the motor and everything else. So if I want to, I've got enough that I could double up the side panels as well. If I decided that I wanted to make it even quieter, if it was working really good. So we will give it a shot and see how it works. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit the bell for your notifications. If you like the video, it really helps the channel, so I appreciate it if you do that. And we'll see you on the trails.